How to report an accident or damage during a thrifty rental. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. While your 97% of journeys do not incur damage when you rent a vehicle, you accept responsibility for any damage to the car that occurs during your rental as outlined in your rental agreement and subject to applicable laws. And this is true even if the damage is not your fault, such as natural disasters, and even if you're not aware of it. If you want to avoid that responsibility, damage waiver products are generally available for purchase, which shifts all or a portion of that risk to Thrifty if you comply with the rental terms. And you can directly call them to report an accident or damage, as there are their support customer care number in any of your email confirmation, or also you'll find it online. And this is how to report an accident or damage during a thrifty rental. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.